Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl CRayneG, and in today's video I am going to be unboxing a Chanel goodie. This is a highly sought after bag and I'm so happy that I was able to get my hands on it. Not only will I be doing the unboxing in today's video, but I also will be doing my first impression. On a wish list for a number of items. This kind of goes back to, I would probably say, beginning of January. I started putting my name on a wish list for a number of Chanel items. I was also popping into the store. I made a couple of other purchases of other items like shoes and things like that. And I received a text message from my SA at Chanel, thank you, saying that I was the lucky draw winner on this bag. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm not going to make you guys wait any longer. I do have an unboxing that I will probably insert the clip here. But let's go ahead and show you this goodie. It is a Mini Chanel Coco Top Handle with gold hardware. Isn't she pretty, you guys? She's still like, I haven't even taken the stickers off of her yet, but is she not just so cute? As I was saying, this bag is in black. It is caviar leather. It has gold hardware on it. Now the strap on this bag has that classic Chanel chain, but then it also has the leather on the top, which is really nice and supportive. Then it's got that classic moon shaped pocket in the back. This is not big enough to hold my phone. I don't know whose phone this can hold, but I do find myself sometimes putting like my key card for work in the back of there, or my access pass when I go to different sites. That would definitely fit back there. Like I was saying, the gold on this bag is not super pronounced. I find that it's quite easy. So like today I'm wearing more of like a brassy color belt, and it doesn't really pull either way. I also find that because the gold is so subtle that it also goes quite nicely with silver. And I'm not really afraid of mixing metals either. If you have been researching the Chanel Coco Top Handle, then you will know that this bag does not have the ability to be worn crossbody. I'll actually just pop it on right now so you guys can see. If you do wear it crossbody, then it sits like super high on your body, and the handle kind of like, without the handle maybe it wouldn't be that bad, but with the handle it is slightly awkward. So it is kind of just meant to be worn on your shoulder or by the top handle. Of course, the long strap or the shoulder strap can be removed off of the bag, and you can carry it just like this. I do find this bag to be quite a classic shape. It's not rectangular. It does have a little bit of a trapezoid kind of shape that goes with it. It has that classic Chanel closure. And of course, I'll just take this out. In terms of the interior of the bag's interior is fully leather. I'm going to go ahead and just take the stuffing out. Ooh. And the interior of the bag, if you can see, is actually a red color, or a burgundy color, I should say. It has two sections, so it has a section in the front, a second section in the back, and then it also has like a small zip compartment in the back where I just keep the authenticity card, or that's where it was when I got the bag. So I'll just kind of leave it there. So this is a mini bag, but not a super mini bag. It still does hold quite a bit of stuff, so let's go ahead and pack her up with some of the goodies that I would take with me on a normal day. So I've just gone ahead and grabbed a couple of my essential items, and I'm going to go ahead and pack up this bag with you guys so you guys can see what fits inside of the bag. So first things first, phone. I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max, so I'm just going to go ahead and stick that right into the front pocket. That slid in quite easily. I've got my AirPods to go with my phone, slip that into the back. As hand sanitizer, of course, essential in today's day and age. lip chap, again in the back. I'm just going to kind of leave all the knickknacks in the back. Small compact that can go in the back as well. And then I do have my keys. And then I also just have a couple of cards in here. This is what I use for a wallet because I don't have a ton of things to carry around. But this is the Louis Vuitton key pouch. So I'll just go ahead and slip that into the bag as well. And all of that fits quite easily into the bag. The closure closes up very easily. As you can see, the bag is not over full or stuffed at all. So in terms of mini bags, it is quite spacious. I'll also show you guys just the inside so you can see that there is some extra room inside of the bag left over. I should move my keys so you guys could see a little bit better. But there is, in terms of like inside of the bag, there is some extra room for you guys to fit some other little items if you needed them, like a lipstick or whatever. I just wear lip chap, so that's all that I need. In terms of wearability, the caviar leather is a very easy leather to take care of. So I am going to be utilizing this bag as more of an everyday bag, or that's what I would suggest. Using it as more of an everyday bag, either with the shoulder strap or without the shoulder strap, but also this bag is a bag that can easily be worn day and night. I've seen girls wearing it very casually, but I've also seen it dressed up and looking super cute for like an evening out. How cute is she? Definitely a goodie and something that I would suggest. As we all know, Chanel has gone through multiple price increases, and a lot of the classics have just increased in value. And there has been a lot of controversy, or a lot of discussion, I should say, around whether or not some of these bags are worth it today. So more on the topic of price increases and the new Chanel system and what's going on, this bag was very hard for me to get my hands on. And for me, I say it was very hard because I haven't specifically had challenges in terms of getting access to a lot of bags until this one and the other Chanel, which I will link above in one of the cards above as well for you guys to take a look at and see. But I put my name on a wish list. Like I was saying, I probably put my name on this wish list in January of 2021. They pretty much told me that they allow access to their VIP clients first to any new stock that's coming in. Then after that, then they would do like a lotto draw for the bag if a VIP client did not want the bag. So like I was saying earlier in the video, my SA at Chanel called me and said that I was the lotto draw winner for this specific bag and that I had 24 hours to go in and pick up the bag. So of course I did. I went and I picked up the bag. And the reason why I opted to pick this bag up was because it is a Chanel classic. It is going to increase in price over time. And I know that Chanel has gone through multiple price increases, and some people say that the quality has gone down, but after actually having a Chanel bag and looking at a Chanel bag up close and personal, I can definitely see the quality difference between this and some of the other houses in terms of like the leather and the materiality and the details that go into the bag, even like some of the smaller minute details. And I don't even know if this is intentional or if I'm making it up in my head, but when you put the chain onto the bag, the chain just like perfectly lies. I don't know if you can see it, but the chain like perfectly lies over the edge, so it just falls perfectly. Some of these small details are things that you're just not going to get with other designer bags, and especially bags that are not designer. So it's just like it falls perfectly. How perfect is that? I am definitely happy that I was able to get my hands on this Chanel Coco Mini Top Handle. I probably said that in the wrong order. I believe that this actually previously used to be considered the small size, but in this season they switched it to be the mini. Chanel's whole system is kind of confusing to me, but nonetheless, I am definitely happy about being able to have access to this bag. One thing that I should actually mention is that when I went into the store, I was able to look at a catalog of things that were coming in for the next season. And I was able to go, okay, well, I like this, I like that. Oh, I really love this. And I was able to put my name down on a wish list for a lot of those items. I don't know at this point if because I've purchased a number of items since the new year with them if I would be considered a VIP. The way that VIP works at Chanel, at least based off of my understanding, is that you're a VIP and your VIP is only for like a season. So it's a seasonal thing. So if you're not buying Chanel every single season, even though you might have purchased a lot of things in a previous season, you may not be a VIP going into the next season because you didn't buy anything. So I'm not sure if potentially the items that I have purchased and the relationship that I have built will allow me access to different things in the coming season. I did hear that there is another kind of caramel color coming out with a different undertone, and that would be something that I would definitely be interested in adding to my collection. And I did see a small image of it, and my essay said that the undertone is a little bit better than the caramel. I don't know how it gets much better than the caramel, but I'm definitely interested in seeing that goodie. So stay tuned. Definitely don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you love everything luxury. We do a lot of luxury hauls here. I look forward to connecting with all of you guys. Definitely connect with me down below. Thank you for sticking around and watching this little Chanel unboxing with me. I'm definitely very excited and happy to have her in my collection. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to ask you guys what Chanel goodie is on your wish list. Let me know in the comment section below. As I said, I'm definitely interested in anything that's in this caramel color or maybe the other color that they are coming out with. So that's definitely going to be added to my personal wish list. But I would love to know what you guys think. Don't forget to follow me on my other socials. I look forward to connecting with all of you. I'm like this brown blazer and about like a moment, right? My second Chanel. My second Chanel.